Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in for.
Mijo. What you working on, little buddy? Oh, all of a sudden he has headphones in. He comes back here for 5 minutes and acts like he's working, puts a respirator on, got headphones in.
People trying to work here, man. You're bugging people all the time.
You know Vic, always complaining. Oh God, I love giving this guy a hard time, I swear I do. What's up guys, how are you? Good morning. Alex here from Hoppos again, and we got Vic right there cleaning up. Jeez, I'm dark. There we go. And cleaning up some frame kits for you guys, shipping out. That's another G-Body kit heading out. And well, right now we got a few other projects in the works. You guys can see the last video just went up, so I'm trying to get you guys content as much as possible during this quarantine time. So we got a 3-stage Z-Rack right here, and then we got another one that's the stages have been prefabbed. Then we got the third one right here in the works right now as we speak. So we're working on these, getting these all together. And well, since Vic's on the back table right now cleaning it up, and being that's my favorite spot to work. Yes, we have like 4 other tables, but for some reason I just don't like them. I like that table because it has the biggest vise on it, but that put me on the floor. So I'm actually working on the floor. Who knows, but we'll get things done anyways. Again, Vic's back there, and what we'll do is probably just toss a little time lapse up for you guys since you guys have been digging that so much. And I'll probably do a little time lapse video of the Z-Rack. We'll probably won't do the whole thing because I'll be in and out of this, jumping to other projects and shipping and stuff, but we'll get a little content for you guys up there. This lazy guy. What happened? He's gonna leave the pallet right here? Can't get this guy to do anything. He barely wipes his own ass. Huh, Vic? There we go, Mija. There we go. Just kidding, guys. You guys always give me shit for giving him shit, but hey, you know what? It makes it more fun, right? I don't know, makes it more fun for me at least. So it looks like we're getting one of the Z-Racks getting shipped out. Vic still has to assemble the pumps and get all that boxed up, but we're gonna get this on the pallet and make its way to its new home. All right, we got the 3 pumps. We got some extra goodies going out right here. This is going out for the Z-Rack, and then we also just started assembling this setup right here, which we call the DB setup. Alright, does anyone else hate this? You're in the middle of a weld, literally right in the middle of a weld, and you run out of freaking wire. Oh shit, yeah, I probably just broke that guy. But I hate when this happens. This literally always happens while I'm in a long run. Freaking irritating. So time to change this guy out. We'll be back. Done. Time to go back to welding. There we go, wishbone's done. Just gonna weld up the frame brackets real quick, and then we gotta TIG up all the bungs on there, obviously still. We were kind of doing a little organizing over here, trying to get some new, I don't know, more crap over here, I don't know what it is. But yeah, so gotta get the brackets. Once he's done with those, get them over here, TIG them all up, TIG the bungs on, TIG all the adjustments, then let them cool, and then ship them out. So we're gonna make our way to that eventually. Till then, I'm gonna give me a little bang. Oh yeah. Today's just not my day. Zero? Really? Pegged out. Now we can weld. Let's go. As Vic was working on those cups, I made my way over here. We're working on a whole bunch of pistons. We got a few orders going out, so I gotta get these all drilled out, get the bungs in place, and then get them all cleaned up and wiped up. So that's where we stand right now. There's a lot going on. As you can see, we kind of jump all over the place. Wherever we're needed, we jump to take care of whatever orders or shipments are, obviously in place. So let's get cutting. Now we got Canadian polish kit going up next, and it just started cutting right now. So that's our next one up. Get that cut up, cleaned up, shipped out. You can tell the shipping guys are doing real good right now. They're catching up on all the orders. And then we just cut out also a whole bunch of G-body arches, 65 Impala arches, 80 caddies rear end pieces. So those also have to be cleaned up as well and put up in inventory. And then we got all this to burn up. Guys, that is pretty much going to wrap up this video for you guys here. Always want to say, Vic, come here. Actually, matter of fact, come here, Vic. Come here. Come on, buddy. We're going to end this video off together here. 6 feet. You guys stay 6 feet.
What do you want me to do?
All right, we're going to end this video off.
How?
However you would like. Let them know whatever was on your mind, and let them know how to go about being safe throughout this whole time. Hold on, hold on.
You're recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Stay safe, everybody out there.
That's all you got for them?
What do you want me to say?
You're not gonna tell them make sure you wash your hands.
Oh yeah, don't touch your face like I did. Right now.
Don't touch your face. What else?
6 feet away.
6 feet away. What else?
Mask.
There we go. You heard the man. Look at that. Stay safe. Sanitize the backside a little bit more. That shit is dirty. I know it is. Yeah, there you go. You guys have a good one. Thank you guys for always watching and supporting. Again, make sure you guys take care of all the local and small businesses around you. Right now, this is going to be the time of need. Any little amount helps. Just ordering tacos, from the to-go place. Every little amount helps these companies right now in the time of need. People are struggling out there. For those of you guys got the orders in today, there you guys go. We got them all shipping out for you. FedEx is on the way right now. So that's why I just want to end this video out. It's Friday. You guys will probably be seeing this video up on Monday. So you guys have a great day. Be safe. Take care of the family. Enjoy. You guys have a good one.
That gotta know. Alex stay with fresh content, and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impale us with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in.
Well, unfortunately, my phone was on charge while the FedEx truck came, but that Z-Rack is packed up, as you guys saw, and it is on its way to its new home in, I think it was North Carolina, something like that. I don't know, I could be wrong. But yeah, on its way to its new home. Now we are working on and jumping our way on to some wishbones. We got an order for 7 wishbones and 4 Y bones. So gonna send those out and then catch back up on inventory. So got those in the works right now, and might as well just time lapse it.